Here, officers have been told to investigate a suspicious circumstance at night in a warehouse and react to what they find. At first glance, this officer's distance from the suspect looks safe enough, but an attacker can easily cover this distance faster than the officer can draw their gun. Remember, when you close the distance between yourself and a suspect, do so only by purposeful decision. In fact, at close distances, your only realistic option for controlling a suspect is empty hand control. Yet, when officers are asked how they would control a knife attacker, they usually say, by shooting him, forgetting that they may not have time in reality. Here, still unrehearsed, is what happens when officers assume they can automatically use deadly force against a knifer. They stand their ground and try to draw, or try to draw and disengage simultaneously. Or even worse, try to draw, fall down, and shoot, and they lose. Because time and distance work for the offender and against the officer. With the reactionary gap of about 1 foot or less, it's impossible for you to react quickly enough to even touch your holstered sidearm once the attack begins. At about 5 feet, the average officer can't even get his sidearm unholstered. Unless your sidearm or baton is already out, you'll have to rely on physical control at less than 5 feet. At about 10 feet, you might get your sidearm out, but you probably won't get a shot off. A suspect with a knife can close 7 paces and deliver deadly force in about 1.5 seconds. For the average officer to deliver 2 rounds against an attacker who starts moving at 10 feet, the sidearm must already be drawn and ready to shoot. At about 15 feet, your chances are a little better. If you're alert, anticipate danger, and are skilled with your equipment. But to deliver 2 rounds, center mass, your hand would already have to be on your sidearm when the attack begins. Tests with hundreds of officers revealed that in most cases, a minimum reactionary gap of 21 feet is required to react and deliver at least 2 rounds and have enough time to move out of the attacker's path.